Hi, welcome to all. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to explaining about the ForgeRock PingAM course index. The ForgeRock PingAM is an access management product. So this video is the latest version. I am going to share in the videos. Let me explain what is the course index we have and how videos are recorded in this course. Okay. In this video, I'm going to sharing the PingAM course index. Before going to sharing the course index, let me share some information about the videos. PingAM course videos are recorded from live classes. These videos are based on both systems, Windows and Linux, so that it will be very easy to survey in the real time. Because of in the real time, you should be having Linux environment and your laptop will be Windows system, so that better so to learn easily in both systems. And each and every functionality is explained in details with practically by sharing the screen, by showing everything configuration in the admin console and what are the changes required for this some type of configuration I have explained. So it's very easy to learn quickly and to get hands-on experience like as a real time. In this course, we will keep on adding the new videos for new functionality and will be notified you if subscribe this course. Well, let me share the course index. Let's go next slide. So we will explain in this videos like what is the single sign-on and what is the identity access management overview and ForgeRock overview and history, like a ForgeRock how it was established and what are the versions we have, from which version we have, what are the open source versions and what is the paid versions, how the subscription how it will work. We have explained here. And ForgeRock backstage website explanation. It's nothing but like a navigation, how we have a different type of facilities they are providing. Like we have it downloading the softwares, documentation and marketplace and sign up, sign in and subscription and ForgeRock University. So such types of thing, how and also how to raise the support ticket. So these are all we have going to explain in this topic. And also we have ForgeRock OpenAI pre-request software list. So what are the pre-request software for the PingAM? Like I have said last time, Windows or Linux, any one of the system will be supported. Okay, better you can go for the Linux because of in the real time you should be having the Linux environment only, and Java 17, Apache Java 17, which is a base programming technology for the all products like a PingAM, PingIDM, PingDS, and PingIG. Okay, so if you have a basic knowledge of Java, it is very helpful to learn quickly this course. Okay, if you don't have, you have to start a little bit to understand the core Java core concepts. Okay, and Apache Tomcat 9.9 series, any version you can take, which will be used for the PingAM deployment, and Apache Directory Studio, which will be used to access the PingDS and Postman and Salmon Tracer. So Java. So what are we going to explaining in Java? Like a Java, how to download from website from RTL website, and how to install, how to set the environment variables. Apache Tomcat. So Apache Tomcat, how to download, how to install, and what how to change the port, and because of default ports will be providing like 8080, so that same port will be used by another application, so we should have to change the port according to the our environment. And also folder structure, how the folder structure of the Tomcat, where AML folder will be there on each folder, what it contains, like that we have explained. And also admin console, what it will be, admin console of Apache Tomcat. And then Apache Directory Studio, so how to download and how to install and how to access the PingDS. This Apache Directory Studio will be used for only accessing Apache DS. Okay, it is a LDAP system. And Postman. Postman, how to download and install, how to access the PingAM REST endpoints like chains, trees, what to wait, see, etc. And now coming to the PingAM course. Okay, what are the PingAM course we are providing in this videos, like how to download software and how to install. So we have a installation, different type of installation, like a different ways of installation, default installation, like the embedded ping DS. So inside that default installation, again we have a multiple type, multiple ways we can do it. One is the default installation with embedded ping DS and installation directory. After installation, how it would be, where is the files exist in the default location and the Tomcat location. So this folder should have to understand so that it will be very helpful to further communication. Okay. And also custom installation with default configuration. We can do it custom installation, but with embedded default configuration. Okay, the similar way we are going to installing with the custom installation. In the custom installation, before going to do it, we have to install the PingDS installation and then PingAM installation with the XMLDS, and then PingAM we can integrate with external user DS configuration. Okay. And admin console overview, how the admin console, what are the options we have, what are the functionality, like what are the modules we have. So each module, what it will do, so that and how it is the navigation. So this is very important because of we should know that website level, the application level, what are the modules we have, we should be aware of it. Okay. And ping am realm, how to create the realm, how to modify the realm. Okay. And how to access the realm from the browser, sub level realms, how to access root level, how to access. So super admin, am admin, whether you will be able to log in root realm and sub level realm. So we have explained. And user creation, how to create the user, how to modify the users, and how to create groups, and how to assign this group to user, and privileges, what type of privileges we can give in the group level, and we can create the service admin groups. Okay, instead of using the am admin, we can create the users, and we can assign the group, that group having the admin privilege, so that we can easily troubleshoot the who are logging and who are doing what type of configuration they're doing, so that you can understand these things. And OpenAIM self-service. In the self-service, we are going to explaining registration, forgot username, forgot password. So we have in this lots of options or lots of services we have, like we email service. Okay, if you want to enable the MFA, we have to send the OTP to email address, so that we need to add email service, and we can add the security questions. Okay, and we can maintain the password more secure, like that we have explained in the self-service module. And we have authentication configuration. So what type of authentication configuration components we have? We have modules, we have a chains, and we have a tree. Okay. So and also how to access this modules, access how to do, and how to access the chain, how to access the trees, and all we have explained. And the basis of the realm also, we how to access this one, like a root level realms, how to access sub level realms, how to access. And then we have OAuth 2 OIDC, which is a very main topic. In this case, we have different type of grant types. So we have explained authorization code grant type, and authorization code PKC grant type, implicit grant type, and client credential grant type, and ROPC, resource owner credential password grant type, password credential. It is not ROPC, it is ROC, ROPC, okay? ROPC, resource owner password credential. Okay, so which are both nowadays real time we are using the what to concept for the applications onboarding. So and we have discussed about the, we have explained and we have configured the SAML between the two different systems, how to integrate the auto federation, what is the IDP system, what is the SP system, and what is the IDP SSO init, SP SSO init. These things and all we have explained in this SAML concept. and REST calls and postman collections. How to access the ForgeRock PingAM API calls via postman. Okay, well, everything we can do it via postman. Like we can create the users, we'll create the groups, and we can create the any configuration. So we have an authentication trees, authentication chains, how to access and how to continue the journey from start to end. We have explained in the postman connections APIs. Okay, and then coming to the agents. Okay. Agents, we have we have multiple types, but we are very concentrating on the Java agent and web agent. So it is regularly we are using this Java agent, web agent, the real time. So Java agent for the Java applications. Okay. Java applications are onboarding with ForgeRock. And the similar way we have a web agent, okay, web server like Apache server applications like a PHP, these applications under how to onboarding with PingAM by using the web agent we have explained. And also we have explained about the logging and audit, like debug logs, how to enable and disable in the production mode, how to enable, how to troubleshoot the issues. Like a production mode, we cannot enable the debug logs, like low level of logs we cannot enable. So environment level, how to enable and disable, and also audit log, what is the use of audit log. Oh, so audit logs where we can store, like we can push to the audit logs to other systems, external data source systems, like we can push this data to external database or external JMS and all. So what is the use of the audit logs first of all, so that we can understand. Okay. And yeah, this topic already covered. And customization. If coming to the customization, so what type of customization we can do it in the or PingAM product level. So here main thing is XJ customization. XJ is customizing nothing but ForgeRock screens, ForgeRock login screens we can customize, like changing the header, footer, and logo. So everything we can change according to the application look and feel. Like we cannot user cannot be understand how that application and ForgeRock. We should not easily differentiate. We can feel it is the same application only. So like that we can customize. So this is also when we need to do it. We need to do it when we are going to using the ForgeRock screens. Otherwise, it is not necessary, not required to customize. Okay. And node creation and customization. Okay, like we have a Java custom nodes we can create, because out of the box nodes, if not meet your requirement, we can create the Java custom nodes, and we our existing nodes itself customization we can do it. Like we have something HOTP. If you want to do something logic in the HOTP itself, by instead of creating the new custom node, we can modify the existing node. But our recommendation is, instead of doing modifying the existing node, we can duplicate this code as a new code, new custom node, and then you can modify that one. That will be very easy maintenance. Okay. And also we have explained the scripted decision node. Scripted decision node, we can write the JavaScript or Groovy script in the node level, whatever we want, if your requirement is not matching. So it is very preferable process. Why? Because in the custom scripted decision node, no need to deploy, no need to restart the Tomcat server. Okay. But in the node creation and customization, like a custom Java node, when you are deploying, you should have to restart the AM container. But in the custom scripted edition node, no need to do any restart. Just you have to write the script and save it. That's all. Your logic will be executed. So this is the ongoing level. It is the preferable and easiest way to maintain the logic. Okay. And also we have a OIDC client scripts. We can customize the OIDC client script, like a access token and ID token. If you want to add more clients, or if you want to remove the clients, so that it will be easy to customize. Okay. And then we have a PingAM sample application demo. So I have showed the on sample application, I have given demo. So with this sample application integrated with the PingAM via REST API. Like we have developed the interface screens, like a login screens, sign up screens, and forgot username, forgot password. Like these screens are developed. These screens internally communicating with ForgeRock via APIs. And how to coming to the this one backup OpenAM PingAM backup and restore. So how what is the how to take the backup of the PingAM and how to restore. So what are the folders we need to take backup? Okay. So regular basis, suppose before going to adding any patch applying or any something going to configuring any new concept. Suppose if you feel any something any it will be disturbed or something, at the time you can take the backup of the some folder so that it will be easily restored if something is happened. Okay. And similarly, how to troubleshoot the issues in the real time, like if a user is not able to authenticating, or you're not able to configure, or user is authenticating but user not getting OTP, something like that. So those things and all how to troubleshoot. So where is the our debug logs and how to identify the error and how to resolve that error. So these things and all we have explained. Okay. Yeah, these are the PingAM course index. So it is explained practically by showing in the admin console level, so that it will be very helpful to learn quickly and easily, and also it will be helpful for the real-time hands-on experience perspective. Okay, thank you for watching this video. You can reach out me if you need any help. Contact at tutorial. Thank you.